Hello, Boasmi and my friends. I'm gonna do an experiment that acid can clean coins. The materials are a non-metallic bowl, some old copper coins, and household vinegar. Salt. The first method is to put some vinegar, a half bowl of vinegar, in the non-metallic bowl. Second, you put a teaspoon of salt. You stir it till it all dissolves. Next, you put the old copper coins in there. Now, while we are waiting for the old copper coins to get cleaned, the acid is formed by vinegar and salt. The acid is called sodium acetate. This sodium acetate cleans the old copper coins. Now, you will see how different the one that is in vinegar sodium acetate is much more cleaner than the one without. Thank you for your attention. This experiment is by Jason Warner.